What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XSC Tunes. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how glad I am that I'm no longer using Studio One. Right, so Studio One just recently released the new update 6.6. There's a lot of cool features in it, which is very good, right? However, I don't like the idea that they have the subscription model, right? And I'm not the only one who felt this way. But I don't really feel that much because I just recently sold the license of Studio One 6 Pro to one of my friends. And I'm glad to work with Cubase because, like I said before, all the stability and all the. Now I want to add on that Cubase doesn't have the subscription model, which is incredible. All right. To be honest, I really like Studio One's features, like lyric track, scratchpad, macro toolbar, and all this cool stuff, right? They really want to give a lot of good features to the users of Studio One. However, the DAW is not stable, right? So it's really not useful for the musician, the producer, the artist to work on a DAW with tons of features, but it's not stable, right? It defeats the purpose of the DAW, which is why I'm so glad that I'm no longer working in Studio One. However, with the new update 6.6, they introduced the subscription model with tons of other updates as well, which is a good thing, right? They introduced a few, I think a new instrument as well, and a couple of small workflow update, right? So which is good. I checked it out and really nice. But still, I'm not going to go back to Studio One ever because of this subscription model, right? I kept the Studio One Pro license until they just released this update 6.6, which they want to have the subscription model, and I was like, no way, I don't want this at all. So what I did was I sell the license to one of my friend, and now he's using it. He's happy with that, and I'm not gonna be against that. So with the subscription model of Studio One 6.6, I felt like they don't really care about the users anymore. They just want to introduce this idea of having a subscription for $180 a year, right? So for $180, if let's say you have decided to not renew again, right? So you will have the perpetual license. That is a good thing, actually, at least. However, if let's say the next year you didn't renew, and then the year after that you decided to renew, it's going to be $180, right? However, with Cubase, to update to the new version, upgrade, is only 99 euros, right? If I'm a user of Studio One and I decided to subscribe to this yearly plan, and if I want to renew it every single year, that will be $180 every year, right? So I don't think that is a good thing for me, because when it comes to Cubase, it's only $99 for every version, right? And I do keep my Cubase version updated because I love all the features, especially with Cubase 13. And if Cubase decided to go for subscription model, I don't think I'll ever wanna update to the next version, because I'm quite happy with Cubase 13 right now. To be honest, this is the best version of Cubase, and I really enjoy working with it. So that's my point of view. Okay, so let's check out what are the new features that comes with Studio One 6.6. Okay, so the subscription model, you can either pay $179.99 a year, or you can pay $20, $19.99 monthly, right? So these are the new update for Studio One 6.6, and they have these cool features. I think it's really useful, and I really like this part. Okay, they can actually now publish the song directly to TuneCore. They have new update for Dolby Atmos composite beds. They have also added the mute and solo function for Dolby Atmos bed channels. They have this new macro toolbar and macro support for project page and show page. Okay, that's a cool thing. And they have this improved lyric display on song page and show page. That's cool. And they have introduced new virtual instrument, and it's only available for Studio One Plus, right? Which sucks. Like in Cubase 13, we got Iconica Sketch for free. Oh my god, that's one of the best sample library for orchestral music, and we got it for free. So too bad Studio One users. And they have this pause, resume content downloads in transfer window. Okay, that might be useful. Their new recording template for Fender Tone Master Pro. I don't think anyone needed that. Improve VST compatibility. Please update your plugins to the latest version. Oh, come on. This is what you guys told me when I had issues with my Studio One. So they always says update to the latest version, right? And I don't have to do it with Cubase, which is why I like Cubase compatibility with VST instrument, because they are just so compatible with each other, right? Cubase and VST, they work like charm. And one thing that I really like in Studio One was this DAW project idea. And when I asked Greg in live, the Cubase live, he mentioned that if they were to introduce DAW project, it's gonna affect the quality of Cubase. So then I was like, okay, yeah, that's better. We don't want that feature if it's gonna affect the stability of Cubase. So yeah, let's not have it, right? So these are the new features for Studio One 6.6. It's cool. It's really cool. I really like some of these features, but I don't think I want to have a DAW which I need to subscribe every year, and it's $180. So no thank you. So goodbye Studio One. So this is my last video about Studio One. I won't be making any content about Studio One ever after this. And I'm gonna be making more content about Cubase, MPC Beats, and MPC 2.0 because I might be upgrading because I'm gonna get some hardware. So and also Dorico, because I'm checking out Dorico. It's a great notation program, and I can also make film scoring with Dorico, and it's really wonderful. If you're into film scoring, Dorico is another DAW that you should check out. All right, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, and smash the like button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.